Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Honda Civic. This two-door, five-passenger coupe offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Honda made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.